Hello guys, welcome to Learn with the Day YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see how to reply our website in online. That means here this is my website. If I want to share this website to anybody or somebody, then I want to convert this website into global hot. What it means by global hot means anybody can view the website through link. Today we are going to see how to convert the local host website into global host website. The local host website URL will be like this. The local host website URL is the part of the website. Now how to convert the local host website part into global host. Now let us see. First open the Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, here search Netlify. After checking Netlify here, you got the first link, Netlify. Click on the link. The Netlify provides us to convert our local website into global website. That means it converts our website into global website and give a link. From from the link, we can share our website to anybody. Press on Get Start. After pressing on Get Start, sign up with any of this option. I am choosing Google. Sign up with Google. After pressing enter, here come to the right side. Here you can see the option add new packet. In add new packet, get select deploy manually. When you select deploy manually, the page will be open like this. Here press on the here press on post to upload. Before uploading the file, here one note point is there. Whenever we want to upload a web page to Netlify, it should be in separate folder. Otherwise, it upload all the files that are in that drive. First, create a folder. I am creating a folder with the name packet. After creating the folder, I am pasting the web page file in the folder. Here after pasting the web page file in the folder, here change the file name and index. Otherwise it doesn't accept it doesn't generate the URL. After changing the file name into index, press enter. After renaming the file name as index.html, come to the Netlify page. Here click on post to upload. After clicking on post to upload, here give the folder name. Here what is the folder name? After giving the folder name, press on upload. After pressing on upload, the file will be uploaded like this. Here click on the green URL. If you click on the green URL, it will show your web page. Now your web page will be accessed by anyone through this link. You can simply copy the link and share to anyone that whom you want to show the website. Hope you understand my video. If you understand my video, then give a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.